Many businesses struggle to cope with complex industry processes, such as quality, supply chain, project management, or communication. Smart managing them can utilize resources efficiently and drive profits while reducing gaps and minimizing wastes. We're a social media company providing content services that help our customers to improve their business operations and supply chain presence. Our user-friendly and engaging platform shares best practices and know-how of international networking activities. You might be wondering how this works. Just create an account, purchase a plan, and download the required asset. We have an extensive infographic and artwork database that has been carefully curated by our experts so that you can find the ideal asset quickly and easily. If you don't find what you're seeking, send us a request for your requirements. Our subject matter expert will create, deliver, and notify you about the asset you need. The database is live and evolving with every feedback we receive. As we regularly update it, every request benefits the customer and our community. What's more, we offer on-demand content such as edible templates, white papers, newsletters, social media posts, flow charts, and process explainers to meet your specific expectation. We are also the gateway to business in Middle East Europe, especially in Poland. Find your perfect asset and social media backup all in one place. Get in touch with our content engineers today.